Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is Making Q is Important. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. So we are going to start reading and understanding the text. So before this, in your English primer, you have already learned by looking at the picture, you completed sentences. So it means pictures help us to write or read the text. I hope you remember this concept. If not, you may watch this video again, and we are going to learn further to use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. So we look the pictures and we'll try to find out, we'll try to predict what the story is all about. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah As-Saf verse 4, indeed, Allah loves those who fight in His cause in a row, as though they are a single structure joined firmly. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us? Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, Allah loves those who fight for the sake of Allah. And beta, when someone is fighting, it means your life is in danger. But still, Allah is saying, even you are fighting, you should make row. So this is the importance of row. This is the importance of Q, that you should make a row, you should make a saf as you are a single structure. So it gives strength. That's why beta, wherever we are, we should make a row, because Allah loves those who make row, right? Okay, so let's see what your text say about it. All of you, open your work, look at the pictures and predict the story. So these are the pictures given in your book on page number 73 and 74. Try to find out by looking at these pictures, what do you understand, what this story is all about. Pause the video, tell to your teacher by looking at the pictures and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what did you notice? Students, like children, are going to the bus and they are in a queue. People are waiting in a queue. Maybe they are at a bank or at a public place, wherever they are, but they are in a queue. So what is the message? What we find out by looking at these pictures? Wherever there are more than 2 people, we should make a queue, right? Now, all of you, tell to your teacher, have you ever seen ants or birds moving in queues? Tell to your teacher. Pause the video, answer this question, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you told to your teacher, good job. Now, let's start reading. All of you, open your book on page number 74 from the very first sentence. I'm going to read it. Listen carefully, because after me, you're gonna read it. People make queues, and what does queue mean? A line. Everywhere. It is polite. What does polite mean? Showing good manners. It's a good thing, okay? Polite means good manner, good thing. So it is polite to wait for our turn. It is bad to push others. So what is bad thing to do? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, making queue is good and pushing other is bad. So we should not push others in queue even, okay? The people wait in queues at the bank. They wait in lines at the post office. They also wait in queues at the shop. We make queues at assembly time and outside the canteen. So in your school, you make queues for assembly outside the canteen. All the students walk in queue at break and off time. Means when you are going home, even then you are in queue. Without queues, some people do not get their turn, right? So that's it about the text. So it's your turn. Pause the video. All of you, teacher, kindly make sure every student participate in reading so that we can correct them accordingly. So pause the video, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with reading? Good job. Now it's time to answer these questions. So teachers, kindly, these questions are there. Carry out this activity orally. Ask students to answer this question. Keep correcting them wherever needed. So pause the video, answer these questions, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. You are smart. Now, it's time for your homework. So all of you will take a kid's storybook with pictures. First, predict the story by looking at the pictures and then read the text. Okay, so this activity you will do with your parents at home. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. There are 2 worksheets with this lecture. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. There are prediction by looking at the pictures so they can practice it. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned to predict the text by looking at pictures in the text. So we covered our SLO, use pre-reading strategies to predict a story by looking at pictures in the text. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.